me partiste el corazón.
A mi corazón.
Pero mi amor, no hay problema, no, no. Ahora voy a regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo um pedacinho.
Você partiu meu coração.
Ai, meu coração,
Mas meu amor não tem problema.
não, não.
Agora vai sobrar então um pedacinho pra cada esquema.
Só un pedacito. Todos están pendientes a ti, pero tú puesta para mí, haciendo que me odien más, porque todos te quieran probar. Lo que no sabes es que no te dejas llevar de paquete y todos te quieran probar. Lo que no saben es que yo te voy a buscar. No, 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 dime que tú eres mía, mía, dile que tú eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía, cuando yo te lo hacía. No, 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 no. Y báilame como si fuera la última vez. Enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki taki, taki taki rum. Taki taki, taki taki rum.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Taki taki, taki taki rum. Mame, Brazil nessa porra! Pozdravljeni dame in gospodje, z mano je Vinicius in začne se zdaj prva epizoda Enolončnice. Naša serija z artisti in z vsem, kar gre lahko lonc v bistvu. Tako da karkoli.
Dober dan.
Živijo. Kako si kaj, Vinicius?
Zelo dobro, zelo dobro.
Pa še lep, sam par dni nazaj, pa že ve vse. A boš kaj povedal v slovenščini? Kako se ti zdi vreme od zunaj?
Je propalo kaj do tempo, da se loveno gore.
Vinicius je zdaj prišel iz Brazilije in je tam zdaj poletje in je najbolj vroče in sončno. Tako da, kaj si ti misliš o tem vremenu tle v Sloveniji?
Vsako vreme ima svojo lepoto.
No, Vinicius, zdaj si glih kar prišel v Slovenijo iz daljne Brazilije. Daj mi povej, kak imaš občutke, mislim, se je čist drug svet.
Slovenija mi všeči. Skisi nove zapače.
Daj mi povej tvojo celotno ime. Tell me your whole name.
My whole name is Vinicius Vini Papini.
Wow, that's a lot of names.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah. We are all mixed there.
Where is that from? Like,
I mean, Vinicius is my name.
yeah,
Lohengrin is my second name. It's like from Germany.
yeah.
And Coelho is my surname from Portugal. And Papini, my surname from Italy.
Italy. Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's a lot of countries. So, like, I mean, how come you came to Europe?
Yeah, so
Slovenia.
I was planning to come here. It's been like 4 years, since 4 years ago. And I just came first to Portugal. I was there with my friends. So as you there, we hanging out and stuff just to meet the country. And then I came here to make our projects together. And the main thing is try to live in day by day and just living the experience here.
Z Vinjem sem dejansko prvič igral v lokalu, sva si naredila playlisto in sva imela 2 uri tam v Santosu sva igrala, tako da tudi on mi predstavlja tako nek začetek moje glasbene kariere v tem smislu in zmeri sva hotla teke videe delati in vloge in tako da je res ena čast imeti tebe tle. Gremo se malo tle da spremeniti outfit, da bom, evo, ok. Kakšno glasbo poslušate? What kind of music do you listen to?
I'm used to like more pop music, but I like surf music, rag music. I mean, any kind of music.
But what about like in Brazil? What is the music?
Oh
what is
man,
the music?
Brazil, no. It's like funk, you know. The funk there in Brazil, is like crazy shit. It's really like
You wanna
known everywhere in Brazil. It's something really.
You wanna show them how it sounds like?
Yeah, I can show the beat.
Just
I
take
can
the
show the
cajon
beat.
here, put it here.
Just the main beat of the funk's like that. Can I do it?
Yeah,
Can I play
do it.
So it's something like that.
Toma, vai, toma, sua gostosa, vai, toma. Vai, toma, sua
Meu
gostosa.
hobby é sentar, não vou te criticar. Tá de parabéns.
Parabéns. Hey,
Nice.
yeah, bro. Brazilski funk. Značilen ritem, ki ga delajo pol tudi z usti. Tum, čak, čak, dum, dum,
Yeah.
čak, tum, čak, čak.
When this beat comes up there in any club or anywhere, everybody goes crazy. We should do some funk party here, like to try to cheer up the Slovenian people.
The Slovenian people.
Yeah, because I felt it even today when I was coming here. The people, it's a bit too close, too stressed. You should like bring that good vibe from inside to outside, That's why I try to smile to the people on the street and see what would happen and to try to break this, this.
Ne da bi se on zaprl, zato ker so ljudi okoli njega bolj tako, ampak da on proba to ven prinesti, da lahko srečuje ljudi okoli njega, kar se mi zdi nekaj zelo, zelo lepega, ki tudi mi in ekipca tle probamo delati z našo glasbo in našim ustvarjanjem, da vam lahko polepšamo dan in mogoče damo tudi kakšen nasmešek na obraz. Gremo naprej, gremo nazaj, gremo naprej. Da lahko mi tole vse lepo dokončamo v nekaj lepega, prosimo vsakmu artistu, ki pride sodelovati, da prinese tudi en suvenir, nekaj malega, da lahko mi pol tle shranimo in imamo to v spomin. Mercator vrečka, všeč mi je to.
Vai fazer propaganda? Não paga, tem que
Mercator,
cortar o-
sponsorstvo, prosim.
So, I have here shoes that I used to use it when I met you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that time. And to remember the summertime when we spent there together and we were always hanging out. It's like, just remember summer and that good times. And that's the only thing that I have that I could bring here. And
Amazing.
yeah, I think that's it.
So,
Yeah.
prinesel nam je čevlje v spomin na Brazilijo, na
It's
poletje.
gonna fit really nice somewhere here.
Yeah, I think so.
Or not.
Let's talk about food. What do you eat in Brazil? I'm acting like I don't know, but
Yeah, there's like rice and beans is the main food and the rest just to mix,
Yeah,
Steak,
rice and
eggs,
beans
and whatever.
is food.
Yeah.
Everything else
It's to mix.
is a mix.
At least 4 days a week I eat it. I used to.
Oh yeah, you miss that?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
I
but
miss it every day.
I miss it
love
too.
it. Yeah, you know it.
Have you tried some Slovenian food?
What am I supposed to say? Yes. Krompiring meso. Voda.
There's another thing. I don't know if you tried. It's called burek.
Burek.
Burek. It's something we eat a lot here. So I would like you to try. Do you want to try?
Of course.
Yes. Bring the burek.
Oh, nice.
Tle imamo en siro burek. This arrives from Turkey, but it's been eaten a lot in Balkan countries.
Nice.
Ja, za tiste, ki niste vedeli, je burek turška stvar in bur pomeni zaviti. Go ahead
Is
and
it
try.
cheese inside?
It has cheese,
Cheese,
yeah.
nice.
Ricotta.
I love cheese.
Burek Olimpija. Najboljši burek v Ljubljani.
It's really good, very good.
Ali bomo vsi malo? Bomo vsi malo bureka. Dajte. Ja, pa dajte še tle.
Oh, don't bring my burek away. Don't take my burek away, it's mine, man. Come on. I'm gonna eat it all. What are you thinking, man? Come on. I like it.
V glavnem, hvala lepa, s tem s hrano zaključujemo to prvo epizodo Enolončnice.
And I'm gonna keep eating it.
Ja. Za naslednjo epizodo imamo novega gosta, kakor zmeraj, drugi artisti. If they like you, what do they do?
They follow and they like it.
Follow Vini on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, like down here, subscribe. Hvala lepa.
Hvala lepa, muito obrigado.
Is there some last thing you would like to say?
Yeah. Primeiro, eu quero agradecer a experiência toda que eu tô tendo aqui. E eu espero que eu possa trazer um pouco desse calor do Brasil, tão conhecido, dessa boa energia, essa alegria. Eu sei que às vezes É normal a gente estar estressado, um dia sim, um dia não. Mas eu espero trazer um pouco mais de cor, mais alegria e a gente compartilhar essa felicidade aqui com todo mundo. E claro, a gente trocar toda essa cultura. Isso. That's it.
Tudo?
Tudo.
Let's go. Bravo.
Mía,